Today, I'm giving you the ultimate Windows optimization guide, no risky BIOS tweaks. We are going to aggressively optimize the system for speed. Follow every step, and you'll transform your PC into a smooth, fast machine. First, search for Adjust Appearance and open Performance options. Select the top option, Adjust for best performance. Pro tip: if you want to keep the smooth text, check only the box for smooth edges of screen fonts before clicking Apply. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Copy the code from the description and paste it into the command prompt. And press Enter. Now search for Edit Power Plan. Click Power Options and select the new Ultimate Performance profile. Search for Mouse Settings. Click Additional Mouse Settings and go to the Pointer Options tab. You must uncheck Enhance Pointer Precision. This is Windows mouse acceleration. It ruins muscle memory for gaming and causes input lag. Your PC is slow because it's loading 20 apps on boot. Right-click the Start button and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup Apps tab. Sort by status and disable anything you don't need running the moment Windows loads. Discord, Spotify, updaters, etc. Press Windows plus R and type services.msc. Find SysMain or Superfetch. Right-click, go to Properties, click Stop, and set Startup Type to Disabled. Find Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Stop it and set Startup Type to Disabled. Find Windows Search. Stop it and set Startup Type to Disabled. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Click General. Turn off every single toggle: Advertising ID, App Launch Tracking, Content Suggestions. Turn them all off. Press Windows plus R and type %temp%. Select all files, Ctrl plus A, and delete. Skip any files in use. Do the exact same thing again, but type temp without percentage signs. Open PowerShell as administrator. Type dsm.exe/online/cleanupimage/startcomponentcleanup and press Enter. Let this run. It takes several minutes, but it's worth gigabytes of space. Now that we've cleared out all that junk, it's time to talk about unlocking your Windows. Are you tired of that Activate Windows watermark? Stop paying full price. I use Loaded to get legit Windows 10/11 keys and cheap games for up to 90% off. If you want the cheapest keys delivered instantly, check my exclusive link in the description right now. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type chkdsk/f/r and press Enter. Press Y to schedule this scan for your next restart. Search for Game Mode in Settings. Make sure Game Mode is on. We install a better DNS for faster lookups. Open Run and type ncpa.cpl. Right-click your active connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Choose Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter Cloudflare's DNS for the fastest possible connection. Preferred: 1.1.1.1. Alternate: 1.0.0.1. Click OK. Browsers are massive resource hogs. For Chrome or Edge, go to Settings, System. Find and disable the options for Continue running background extensions and apps when browser is closed, and Startup Boost. All that is left is to reboot your PC to complete the chkdsk scan and apply the changes. When you boot back up, enjoy your faster PC.